Welcome to this summer section of Philosophy 160, Ethics and Society. My name is Dr. Charles Wallace, and I'll be your instructor for this class. In this first module of the orientation video, I want to go over how I've set up our Canvas webpage, talk a little bit about the resources, assignments, and pace of the course. This is the first course that I've taught using Canvas. I've tried to make sure that everything is functional, but if you have a problem or a suggestion, by all means, please contact me and I'll do my best to make sure that everything runs smoothly throughout this term. This is a relatively short term. We start on the 3rd of July and the last day of the course officially is the 8th of August. That gives us 6 weeks. As a result, I've broken the course down into 6 modules. This is the landing page as it should appear to you when you log into the class. And as you can see, it's broken down into 6 individual modules together with the syllabus for our course. You can download the syllabus or access it here through Canvas whenever you like. Each week, there'll be an announcement that I send out to you, and the announcement that you got for this first week looks like this. It'll tell you what we're doing in the course, and it will give you links to any lecture videos, including this orientation video. It'll remind you of my office hours and give you a link to that office hour for the first couple of weeks to make sure you have access to the readings. There'll be links to the reading assignments, and there'll be links to the actual course assignments. And this week we have 4 assignments, only 2 of which are actually required. Each week there'll be a quiz on an article and its associated lectures. In addition to that quiz, there's an optional extra credit practice test on that same material that you can take and earn extra credit points that will be applied to the raw scores of your quiz scores. There's another set of extra credit and quizzes covering the second article and lecture as well. And every week, all the assignments for that week will be due at 11:59 on that Saturday. Again, they'll be available at 8 a.m. on the previous Sunday, so you'll have approximately an entire week to complete all of the assignments for a given week. If you're having trouble getting through the assignments, please feel free to contact me and I may help you by extending an assignment here and there to make sure that you have a chance to get all the material done. The links to lectures, sometimes to readings, and to quizzes are produced here in the announcements, and they are also in the modules, and they're described in the syllabus. So as you can see, the module replicates all this information, including the various links, so that you'll be able to access the assignments for the week through the weekly announcement, through the module, or through the individual tabs. Quizzes through the quiz tabs, and the writing assignments through the assignments tab. The quizzes tab looks like this. The extra credit quizzes came out on top. I didn't really seem to be able to have much control over that, followed by the assigned quizzes. And you can see that we have 12 quizzes total, 2 for each week. The gradebook will look like this. The breakdown of scores and their weighting is over here on the side, and you'll be able to keep track of how you're doing as we go through the term. I want to emphasize that I structure this course so that students have a roughly 10% bonus should they get all of the extra credit points. They could literally raise their grade from a C to a B or a B to an A by getting all the extra credit points on all the extra credit assignments. The idea that I have here is that the quizzes will help you to rehearse the material. They'll give you feedback on the material so that you can better understand the material, and then when you write the short writing assignments, you should benefit from rehearsing that material through the quizzes. I would encourage you to do the extra credit practice quizzes first and then do the required quiz. That way you'll have some feedback on your understanding of the material, and you'll be able to then take that feedback and study or go ahead and continue on to take the required quiz for the week. In the next lecture module, I'll briefly go over the syllabus, and that will be the last module for this orientation video.